It's early this morning. It's what time? 7 o'clock. It's just dark out. We are going to go on a cleanup today. And we have 3 of us. We got Bush Cassidy with us today. You really can't see him. And who's that back there? Bundle of Joy? She's part of the Joy's 4 family. So, we are going to go to South Carolina, which is about, what, it says 2 hours and 21 minutes, but we only have 1 hour and 55 minutes to get there. So we'll see if we arrive on time. We're going to do a cleanup at the South Tiger River, and it's kind of cool because it's a cleanup and a geocache event. They're giving away an ammo can full of goodies to set out as a cache. So that'll be fun. I am secretly hunting for a cat. We're going to go find this one. It's at a truck stop. I don't like looking for these because there's so many people around, and you can hear the trucks, and it's like I'm going for a pit stop in the woods. But I found it! Well, I've been in here long enough. They probably definitely thought I took a pit stop because there were so many cool things in this geocache. I decided to get this cool thing so I could take my medicine. Alright, thank you. Thanks for the cash. We're here to do the South Tiger River cleanup. We made it! We made it in what? 2 hours, 10 minutes? We sped! It's really pretty though. We're going to clean up trash. In my trash bag, my handy gloves, and this is what we're going to clean up. It's prettier on that side. There is a long trail of people coming to help today. We're going to see how we get down there. Don't fall. Be careful. Are you cleaning? Where's your bag? We're cleaning up the South Tiger River. It's absolutely beautiful here. It's going to become a future state park. So we're mudding. Hey. We're definitely mudding. Someone's catching tadpoles. Can you see them? Put lots of them in there. So much for cleaning up. We found the golf ball, and my tube is up there. They need to throw it down. And I'm going to go swim over there. Get the strap. Ready? Nope.
Hey Mom! What's that behind you?
Don't walk on this thing, but it looks like everybody does. This giant boulder of cancer-causing mesothelioma. What's it called? This is an asbestos rock, and it's right by this lovely subdivision, which is called what? What did you call it? Bush Cassidy? Cancer Cove. This is supposed to be an earth cache, and we have to use a mirror and a tape measure And we're going to guesstimate using, what is it called? The Pythagorean, what? What is it? Tell me. Tell me what it is. Come on! Ah, you're having trouble too. What are you having trouble? Say it, say it. I can edit that. Come on.
The Pythagorean theorem?
Pythagorean theory.
Pythagorean.
Pythagorean.
Pythagorean theorem.
Okay.
You walk around the other side, you can really see the end of
Okay. You need to bring your mask. Yeah, don't breathe. You can breathe on this and then dust yourself off in the community pool over there. This cache says, we can't safely ask you to collect any samples here, and if you choose to touch or climb on this mineral, you do so at your own risk. We need to disinfect Summer when she goes home.
I'm not even touching it.
I know. Don't breathe.
There's a big asbestos vein right there.
Okay.
And that is asbestos.
That's awesome.
Oh, the cheese. Oh, that's cool. The cheese is the ammo box.
Oh, wait a minute.
Dad, I can
Oh my
snap on
God.
It's a real. Is it a real thingy?
Test your skill and find out.
Is it a real?
Let's catch a rat. Go for it, Bush Cassidy. It's not gonna snap you. That's cute. Cute. We are on our way to where? Musgrove Mill, where the massive battle of, what were they?
Musgrove Mill.
Of Tories and the Patriots. Massive suicidal battle here was held, and there's a geocache here somewhere. There's 3 of them here somewhere, so we're going to go find it. We're going to beat them to it. Maybe not. They're fighting.
Pretty cool.
I'm listening. It's a surprise attack. Summer has her bayonet. That was not expected. That was good. Are you? He's not dead yet. You're not shooting well. Shoot! We are on the hunt for the cache, and there's such beautiful trees in here. I think you should get down in this one. Get down in there. No, come on. Sure, it's a big fallen log. There's a snake. Hang on, let me video it. Wait, don't scare it. Oh, I see him. Hello, Snaky Poo. How are you?
Or make I'm not sick,
Don't mess with them. This is Sparky the travel bug. He is visiting with us today. We're going to take Sparky to visit our horse, Sparky. So he wanted to travel around. So he's here at Musgrove Mill. And wait a minute. What is this? Would you like some clothes? Hey.
That's a t-shirt tree.
Instead of a shoe tree. That's fine. Blooming t-shirt. Where far out is my daughter? This way. Trail. There it is. Trail. Trail. Okay. So, if I make it where the sun is, then it's 332 feet, which means we gotta go back over there where the bridge once was, I think. You think? Okay. We're gonna try that route. Look! Do you see this? This is a tuning fork tree. You know when you do it and you hunt for water? Instead of the Indian horse tree? Look, look. It's a tuning fork tree. Funny! We're going to have to cross. Yay! Water! Instead of fording a stream with our car, we get to ford the river with ourselves. Because the GPS says 391 feet, so we've got to go across here. Well, we crossed that river and I was doing this, so the film, if I would have filmed it, it would have been shaky. I was so nervous. Summer's laughing at me, and right now it's lightning. Hear that? I won't. No. Well, hunting for this geocache was what? Was like, I think that's the closest I have ever been to a lightning flash. I felt it in my heart. Did you feel it?
I've been closer than that, but
No.
that one was too close.
It was like bright being in a camera flash.
That was
Holy crap. And everyone else is disappearing while we stay underneath this shelter.
awesome shelter.
Yeah.
Orla.
Could protect us
That
from
was
an
scary.
To go across, it'll be a flash flood.
And we have to go across the water, and yeah, it's going to be deeper now. We got to go across again. We found the cache. Why are you crossing it that way? There's a big snake right on the middle of it. Do not. Yeah, not so cool because it's probably a copperhead.
That's it. Oh, it is. I can see it.
Awesome.
Out of his mouth.
This has been an adventurous day. It's only, what, 5, 10, 15 feet from that. And we're about the same. Behind it, in the water. When his mom and his brother and his sister are behind us, floating downstream. That's cool. Hopefully he goes swimming that way, though, you know? He'll move, I'm
you go
sure.
close to him, he's gonna move.
You ready? Start walking a little bit across it and see what he does. And then maybe you can walk all the way across.
He's gonna move when you start going towards him.
It's not going anywhere. He likes the water. I got scared right there.
Splash him.
Try.
What?
Where are we going? It's deep. We're going. What? We're going what? This is deep. Look what I found. A horse. You could go ride that one summer and you wouldn't fall off. I wouldn't fall off. Well, this is the third time, and third time's a charm. Bush Cassidy was right. We are not to get to this cache. So, we're off to the Mega. Because Musgrove Mitch, we can't find you. We are on our way to the Mega Cache. I found it already. Oh, cool. I'll come up there. This is the first time, well, not really, this is your second time finding two caches within arm's reach of each other. One here.
Oh, yeah.
Beep, 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 beep. There's the other one. So let's see if they're from the same people. Now we're going to the Legend of Ghost Creek Road. We already found the cache, but now we have to go find out where this is one of the things that are called weird and strange in South Carolina. Supposedly a couple that was going to get married died the night before on this bridge. So his soon-to-be wife, bride, haunts the bridge. So you're supposed to pull over, walk around your car, and your car isn't supposed to start. And then you're supposed to see her apparition in the bushes. We just have to stop here for just a moment. It's creepy. Is it creepy? Wait, hang on. We're going to do the fire thing. Come on. Yeah, you do this. Ready? Ready? Come on, hurry. Do the fire.
I'm gonna do it too.
He's chicken. He's chicken. He's chicken. Eat clockwise, clockwise. Oh, hurry. Get back in the car. Just it. Just once. Look in the trees. There's the white apparition. I see it. Right there. There's a blue one. Where is it? Are you scared? I think that's why you got in the car so fast. Spooky! We're going to try it one more time, Bush Cassidy. Come on, ready?
Now come to this.
I'm scared. He doesn't make it all the way around. We had fun. Thank God it started. It was fun. Okay, we're going home. This is my little friend. I brought him home. I didn't know I brought him home. But I brought him home from South Carolina. He's on my neck. Hey, this is my travel bug. He's going back to Georgia. This is a real travel bug.